Good morning, guys. Yaki-chan. Hey, we are in the river. We are at the spot called El Meco, San Luis Potosí, Mexico. And we are in the river. Check out the river, huh? So we're going forward to the waterfall, Cascada del El Meco. All right. So I'm going to turn the camera around to see how we're going forward in this beautiful turquoise water. Aquí estamos, amigos, en el río del Meco. El Meco cerca a El Naranjo en San Luis Potosí. Es un huasteca potosina. Así es que vamos a disfrutar hoy de este paseo de lancha para la cascada que está más allá. Entonces vamos a disfrutar del río bien tranquilo, pero bien turqueso, ¿no? Aves como un palo, ¿no? Muchos árboles, muchos tamarindos. Okay. También mango, palmas, de todo, ¿no? Así es, y te voy a mostrar la cascada en un ratito y así vamos a disfrutar hoy una huasteca potosina. Hay gente que están jugando, tirándose. ¡Ah, caray! A little bit. No, I didn't get the water on my camera. Here we go, here we go. The waterfall coming up. Ahí está la cascada. Vamos a ver. No vamos a saltar como aquellos allí. Allí se pararon y bajaron y van a saltar al agua, disfrutando de todo, ¿no? Pero hoy no vamos a mojarnos ahorita. Ojalá que sí, luego vamos a meter en el agua para disfrutar. Como fresca el agua, está bien fresca, está bien rica el agua. Check it out, guys. Here comes the waterfall. It's gonna be nice. Some people are getting off. They let them off, like over there or over there. Sometimes even forward, closer to the waterfall where the water is more turbulent, and they jump off the rock and kind of float down the river a little bit. The river does not flow very fast, as you can see, but you go down and then they'll pick you up. Or in this case, some people got off on this rock and just play around in the water. Oh, there you go, there you go. So the interesting thing is, like right here, we have a forest of big bamboos. Yeah, very nice, big fat bamboos, good for construction, for doing a lot of things. They don't use it quite like the way the Vietnamese do. They do a lot more with the bamboo. Yeah. All right, we're seeing more and more of the waterfall. So of course everybody has to wear the life jacket, and they will put it on you properly, tighten them up so that there's no chance for any accident to happen. You will be safe in the life jacket. Life jacket, if we didn't do anything else, we could rent a life jacket for 90 pesos. But for 150, we could do the boat ride. And so that includes the life jacket and the ride, the boat ride. So we're enjoying the boat ride right now because this is the only way you're gonna see the waterfall up close with a way to take a nice picture of it. Some people, I guess, after they're done, they decide to just stay here and jump off the rock and then swimming in the water. Some are kind of scooting along the rocks on the bottom and scooting up a little bit closer. The water is super clear, and it's just rock, right? I would dare to guess that the rock is more of a sandstone. Wow, look at you get the camera out, get some pictures. It's okay. We're not getting that close. Woo, baby. Check it out. Mira, amigos. Miran. Ay, caray. Qué hermosa, qué hermosa. Look at that. Amazing waterfall. Really amazing. I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I do. Some people are enjoying playing in the water right here. Wow, some people even got real close. I guess you could walk up there. You can get off the boat a little downstream where we came from and then hike up to kind of to the top of the waterfall, right? Yeah. Yeah, amazing, amazing. Of course, here the water moves a little faster because of the water hitting the river here. Alright guys, what do you think? Huh?